Back outside this afternoon, Chief Meteorologist Scott Colbert on the back porch because for now, it's not going to be too bad.
We've got some really nice weather over the next several days. We're going to soak it up while we can towards the end of the week and especially this weekend. And I know it's the big Easter holiday weekend. Mother Nature is going to throw us a few curveballs. Right now, comfortably sitting at 72 degrees under a mostly clear sky in Bentonville. We've had a few clouds moving through the area behind a cold front that moved through earlier today. In Fort Smith, that front didn't make it through the River Valley as quick. Therefore, temperatures warmed up a little bit more. 80 degrees, still looking at a mostly cloudy sky. Expect those clouds, though, to be breaking over the next several hours. Let me show you rain chances on my weather maps. This is going to be what we're expecting over the next several days. You're going to notice that rain chance relatively low. There's a slight bump in the road come Wednesday. I think maybe at best a brief spotty shower or two. Odds of that seemingly only about 20%. It's once we get to Friday night into the weekend, we find those more likely chances of showers, maybe even some severe weather, unfortunately, looks to be in the forecast. Here's the latest from the Storm Prediction Center. It outlines a large chunk of the area under that slight risk, which would really correspond to a level 2. That's what it equates to for a large chunk of us. Now, here's the thing. This map's going to change over the next couple of days, right? As those details continue to come in and get fine-tuned, we'll have a better idea of timing and placement. Right now, I think it's probably going to be Friday afternoon, late afternoon at the earliest, more likely Friday evening into the overnight hours. Here's the culprit. It's a cold front that's going to be working its way through the area. Here's 7 o'clock Friday evening. We'll have that cold front bringing rain, maybe some thunderstorms, but that same front, it's going to stall out. It's going to wreak havoc on our weekend forecast. It'll keep rain chances through the area, likely through Sunday night, perhaps even extending over into next Monday morning. That front kind of meanders. Rain chances continue on and off. When it comes to Sunday, it looks like maybe the second half of the day may be in a little bit better shape. Now, here's the thing. Maybe you're one of the folks that are organizing some outdoor Easter festivities, trying to get an idea of what the weather's going to do. I don't think it's time yet to cancel plans. I do think it's definitely time to start thinking of some alternatives. There's time for this to change. There's time for maybe us to identify a window in which maybe you could salvage some of those Easter egg hunts. Until then, start thinking of some ways to maybe move those indoors. When it's all said and done, I think over the next 7 days, so between now and next Monday, a lot of us are on track to pick up between 1 to 3 inches of rain. The higher amounts, probably northwest Arkansas, will taper that down a little further south and east we go. When it comes to tomorrow, it's going to be a Chamber of Commerce day full of sunshine out there. 60 by lunchtime, northwest Arkansas. We'll make our way into the upper 60s. Perhaps we squeeze out a low 70 out there. A little bit better odds of some 70s in the River Valley. Abundant sunshine for your Tuesday. Wednesday's another nice day. Here's the thing. Overnight, it is going to get chilly. Down to 38 tomorrow morning, 38 again Wednesday morning. But then we start that warming trend that actually takes our afternoons back in the 80s. That's all leading up to that busy weather pattern. And you see that 40% chance on Friday. Keep in mind, most of that's late in the evening into the overnight hours. Chances on Saturday look to be relatively high, about 60%. And we'll keep that 60% chance of rain and storms in your Easter Sunday forecast as well. A lot of that wraps up by Monday. What you'll see later tonight on the 10 o'clock forecast is that by Tuesday, it looks like we may get another surge of some rain and some storms. So we trade what has been a really nice, comfortable, calm weather pattern for a more active and busy one, which is what you'd expect this time of the year.
Just the timing of it is.
Yeah, I know. I really was hoping maybe we could squeeze out Sunday, and maybe we do. I've not lost faith yet, but I know a lot of folks that you got to make decisions, and we'll keep you posted as those changes become more clear, if any at all. But I don't think it's too early to cancel plans.
Okay, all right.